we have this drawing competition is that we would like to strengthen IKEA as a good company and also make children to draw more and be more creative. And it's a competition announced from IKEA family, and it is made in 5 different countries. Finally, we have 5 countries who's into this competition. So we decided to work with the Spain country and France, China and Russia and Germany. So the thing is, it's a lot of children doing a lot of drawings and they send it in, and then the stores collected a number of drawings and then they sent 30 from each country to iOS in Sweden. And there we review all the drawings together with a small team, technician, me, product developer and another person which is into safety and health. So we looked at the drawing and it was 30 drawings from the 5 countries, and all of them were really nice and really inspiring. And as a product developer, it would be nice to do them all, to be honest, but we have to pick only one from each country. So we put down all the requirements that we need to have written down, and also the sizes and colors that we suggest to use for this soft toy. And then we prepare a document, and then we send it out to trading in Indonesia, and then trading talks to the supplier, and they follow up, and then they create a sample of this soft toy.
We are very proud to be part of drawing competition. For suppliers with 17 years with IKEA, we strive to produce most attractive and safe product in the world. We have been IKEA supplier for 17 years. We have very strict chemical quality standard, and we are very pleased to be produced most safe product for the most important people in the world. We are very pleased to be IKEA supplier. They are the most fair and demanding in requirement, and demanding to be improved every year in every part of the production.
We at Children's IKEA put safety and health as a precondition for our products. And even if this is only one soft toy, we make sure to follow our routines. That means we do risk analysis on the product, all the material is tested and complies to our requirement, and we also fulfill all the legal requirements in the sales country.
For the most
important people in the world.
Thank you. Terima kasih.
Taksamika.
Terima kasih.
Taksamika.
Kamsahamnida.